Welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you dear all? Today I will show you how to work timer relay circuit and how to timer fittings solenoid bulb. So my hand is timer plug 220 volt AC plug. So now it is open the two cables and I will repair the timers. Just show you how to repairing the timers, and here I will check it at first solenoid coil. So this is device is fully dusted. Now I cleaning it and I checking the solenoid coil. After I will check another parts. Dear all, I doing the working on time electrical and electronics project and electronics device all parts, every motherboard paradise parts. So this solenoid lamp is okay, sorry, the solenoid coil is okay. Now I testing it. This timer solenoid timer is two variable systems. So I'm measuring the coil, and now I testing 220 volt direct line to solenoid coil. Now solenoid terminal 220 volt direct shorted. Just check it good or bad. So I'm checking it. Uh, it is good. It is working. So now we are working the timer circuit. So it is a timer circuit, and here two variable, just on delay and off delay timer attached. So now I settings in the solenoid coils to timer and plug in the timer plug cables, two terminals, neutral and phase. This is 220 volt AC timer. So I provided at first black cable the neutral lines, and after I connected the phase cables in the phase line. This is blue color cable is phase cable, and I already connected black cables neutral lines. Thank you for seeing the videos. So now I power provided, just power on. So it is working, but it not on mode. I will press the test mode, just check it is on mode, working or not. So all time it is stay off mode, never stay on mode. When I pressing the test button, then it is on mode, but it is off moded gone, never back in on mode, but it is twin timer. So